In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically translate Slack messages. Start by opening Slack in your browser. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so you should land on your main Slack dashboard. From here, we need to go to the Slack app marketplace, where Slack apps and integrations are installed. Click into your browser's address bar, type slack.com/marketplace, and press enter. Let the marketplace page load. If Slack asks you to choose a workspace, look near the top right area and select the workspace where you want the translation app to be installed. Once you're in the marketplace, find the search bar at the top of the page. It usually says find an app or a service you already use. Click inside that search bar, type xlate, then press enter. Wait for the search results to appear. In the results, look for the app named xlate, Translate Channels. Click that result to open the app's marketplace page. On the app page, look on the left side under the app icon. Click the green Add to Slack button. Slack may take you to the xlate website, where you'll see a second Add to Slack button. If that page appears, click Add to Slack again. Some installations may skip this page and take you directly to the Slack permission screen. Now you should be on a page asking you to allow the xlate Translate Channels app to access Slack. Before continuing, check the workspace dropdown and confirm it shows the workspace you want to use. Once the correct workspace is selected, move to the bottom right corner of the page and click Allow. After Slack finishes connecting the app, go back to your Slack workspace. In the left sidebar, look under Apps. Click xlate. The app will show a welcome message. Read the message briefly, because it confirms that the app has been installed and explains that it can automatically translate messages into English. Next, choose the channel where you want automatic translation to work. In the left sidebar, click General, or click any other channel where you want xlate to translate messages. After the channel opens, move down to the message box at the bottom of the Slack window and click inside it. Now invite the app into this channel. Type /invite, then a space, then at xlate. After the full command is entered, press enter. Slack will post a system message confirming that xlate has been added to the channel. Now we'll post a test message, so the app can detect the language and create a translation. Click back into the message box at the bottom of the channel. Type the Spanish sentence carefully. Hola equipo, comma, opening question mark. ¿Cómo están todos hoy? Closing question mark. After the sentence is entered, press enter. Wait about 2 to 3 seconds while xlate detects the language. When the app finishes, it posts the English translation as a threaded reply. Under your Spanish message, you should see a thread reply indicator. To view the translation, hover over your Spanish message and click Reply in Thread. You can also click the thread reply count directly under the message. A thread panel opens on the right side of Slack. In that right-hand panel, you'll see the English translation from xlate. Hello team, how is everyone today? If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations, xlate is installed. Add it to your channel.